Exercise 6.2. Assume that you are in another solar system and provided with a set of data given below consisting of the planets, semi-major axis and time periods. Can you infer the relation connecting semi-major axis and time period? Now here the planet, time period and semi-major axis are given. Here the planets are imaginary. Okay. So Kurinji is having 2 years of time period and the semi-major axis is 8. Mullai 3 and 18. Marudam 4 and 32. Neidal 5, 59. Palai 6, 72. Okay. Now we'll go for each planet. First for Kurinji. The time period T1 is equal to 2 and A1 is equal to 8. Okay. Now by Kepler's third law, T1 square is proportional to A1 cube. Now A1 is equal to 8. I can write A1 as A1 is equal to, okay, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 square. 8 can be written as what? 2 into 2 square. Now the time period is 2. So I can write A1 is equal to 2 times T1 square. So I have got a relationship between the semi-major axis and the time period for the planet Kurinji. Now we'll go for the second planet. That is Mullai. Here T2, I can take the time period as T2. T2 is equal to 3 and A2 is equal to 18. Okay. So A2 is equal to 2 times 3 square. So 2 times 3 square is nothing but 18. So this can be written as 2 times T2 square. So A2 is equal to 2 times T2 square. So I have got the relationship for Mullai. Now for the third planet, Marudam. A3 is equal to 4. Sorry, T3 is equal to 4 and A3 is equal to 32. So I can write A3 as 2 times 4 square. So A3 is equal to 2 times T3 square. Then the fourth one is Neithal. Here T1 is equal to 5 and T4, we can take it as T4 as 5 and A4 as 50. So A4 can be written as 2 times 5 square. So A4 is equal to 2 times T4 square. And the last planet is Palai. Here T5 is equal to 6 and A5 is equal to 72. So A5 can be written as 2 times 6 square. So A5 is equal to 2 times T5 square. So we have got the relation. So in general, we can write A is proportional to 2 times T square. So all the equations when you compare, you will be getting 2 times of time period. So A is proportional to 2 times T square. So this is the general equation we are getting.